With a text object selected in your drawing, the Text Style menu offers a range of customization options. Alignment. At the top of the Text Style menu, you can change the alignment of text within a selected text object. Left Justified will move all lines of text to begin at the left-hand side of the text box. Centered will align each new line centrally in the text box. Right Justified will move all lines of text to the right side of the text box. Full will take all text and align it to both the left and right side of the text box, adding spacing where needed to the body of the text. Hard returns, where you have used the return key, will not be justified. Font list. Inkpad supports the fonts that come with your iPad, fonts that have been installed onto your iPad through apps such as iFonts, or those directly installed into Inkpad from the gallery screen. All of these fonts are listed together here with a preview of each one. Tapping on a font will apply it to any selected text object. On the left side is the font family list, while on the right you will see the font type styles. These are different weights and styles that are available within the chosen font family. Font type styles are specific to each font family, and the list can get quite lengthy, while some fonts will only have regular. Text size slider. At the bottom of the text style menu, you will find the size slider. This will increase or decrease the size of the font displayed in the selected text box, either by moving the slider or using the plus and minus points. To find out more about installing fonts directly into Inkpad, check out my Installing Fonts video.